Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to clear YouTube's search and watch history on Android mobile. First, look at the bottom right corner of the main interface layout and tap directly on your Profile tab, which is labeled as You. Look at the top right corner of your Profile dashboard screen and tap on the Settings gear icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu list and tap explicitly on the option labeled Manage All History. Choose your target Google account if prompted to load your centralized Google My Activity dashboard. Once the history layout page loads, locate the Delete button with a small drop-down arrow right next to your historical feed list and tap it. From the pop-up options menu that appears, tap on Delete Today to wipe recent logs, or select Delete All Time to completely scrub your entire historical architecture. Tap the blue Delete button at the bottom right of the confirmation layout to permanently authorize the database purge. The application framework will instantly execute the command, wiping your entire viewing and search log across the platform so that your home feed recommendations reset completely. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.